There's something called a branding watermark that people click on in the bottom right, and you get more subscribers because when they click on it, they subscribe to your video. We're going to talk about this coming right up. Hey, it's Dane Golden from Hey.com. This is the channel where we help you grow your customer community through helpful how-to videos. And the branding watermark is a great way to get more subscribers and viewers to your video. That's that thing. You might be seeing one right now on my channel. I might use the subscribe button. I might use a logo. And when you click on that, which you should right now, you will subscribe. Isn't that great? So now you are a subscriber to this channel. And that's what you want your viewers to do, is subscribe to your channel. So you do this in the advanced settings, all right? I'm going to show you how to do this. Well, here's a video that I just recently published this week, and you can see that there's an area down below that they call a branding watermark, and this branding watermark actually acts as a subscribe button. I've added a button that looks like the word subscribe, like an official YouTube button, but this doesn't have to be the button. A lot of people do this because that indicates that they want you to subscribe, but you can put anything there, so then when someone rolls over it, they can subscribe. Now this person is subscribed to the channel. Well, how do you find the branding watermark in the new YouTube Studio Beta? You go to Settings, and then you go to Channel, and then you see this area here called Branding, and there's the branding watermark. Now you can do it at the end of the video only, a certain time. I just think it's easier to do the entire video. Now I can remove the old one, and that's done. It holds an area here, and I can select an image by clicking here. It can be a PNG or a GIF, and it's 150 by 150 pixels. It can be no larger than 1 megabyte. All right, I've found the new image I want to use. I hit save, and now as you can see here, I have a new branding watermark. And this is a method originated by Tim Schmoyer, where he has both his logo and the word subscribe. Some people do their logo, some people do subscribe. Tim Schmoyer does both his logo and subscribe, and since I figured, well, my logo says hey, it'll be hey subscribe, so why not? That's how you do a branding watermark. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video right there.